up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon.
Hi beauties, how are you guys doing? And welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So if you're new on my channel, my name is Funkie the Almond, and for my old subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. So this video is a very late video, like it's been requested for a very long time, and basically people do ask me sometimes when I wrap my hair that, Funkie, how do you wrap your scarf? So since people have requested this, and then Ramadan is fast approaching, and I know sometimes the problem is because some people are on like a cornrow or maybe short hair or low cut. So this hairstyle, see, let me show you how my hair is looking. I've actually got a cornrow. I know it's not looking pretty good, so I've got a cornrow on my hair, and I will be showing you how I actually still able to do my scarf in a very nice way without, you know, having like a proper braid. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I'll just be showing you what I do to achieve that, you know, volume under my scalp before I proceed to wrap my hair. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. So also on the bad hair day, if you feel like wrapping your hair, this video is actually a must watch for you as well. The thing about what's it called, wrapping our hair is you want to tidy up your front hair. And as you can see, I don't have baby hair, but I'll still try my best to, you know, use gel to make sure it's neat. So this is the first thing I do. I try to put gel and, you know, just comb my hair backward. The next thing I do is to create this volume effect underneath my head wrap. And I got this headband, I don't know what it's called, but I got this. You can use any of your hairband from AliExpress. And what I do is I just pack this little hair of mine this way, you can see. Then I grab like a cap. So I grab this hair cap, and I always tuck it with any of my, you know, scarf, just to give it more volume. So I'm just going to stuck it with my scarf as well, and put that on my head. Put that on my head. You can use any color of scarf. And you can see it creates like a small volume at the back. I don't know if you noticed that, but it creates this small volume. Then the next thing I do is I grab like a hair cap, and what I use this for is I use it to secure this cap, because this is really firm. So I use it to secure this cap, so I'm well assured that it's not going to move. You can use a black one, you can use any one you want. So see, everything is well secure, and I've got volume now. So guys, I'm not going to be talking while I'm doing this scarf. Just please watch, and I'll make it as detailed as possible. First color I'll be using is this purple one, and just watch.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Hold on. And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause
So beauty, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to see more of this, just alert your girl. If you'd like to see more of this, kindly comment down below and